So we've looked at smoothing in terms of moving means. So we do the 3 moving mean, we do the 5 moving mean, we do the 4 moving mean. Now we're going to look at moving in terms of the median. Very similar process. Really the biggest difference is why would we smooth with a median? Well, do you remember that medians don't account for outliers, so it's quite handy if we have outliers to do the moving median, whereas moving mean will still be greatly affected by outliers. So it's not as effective. Moving median will discount outliers and it won't be affected by outliers. So it's a useful approach if you have outliers. And that's just always been the case. Median is appropriate to use when we have outliers. It's pretty much the same process, but this time we smooth, we're just finding the median of the 3 values. So let's start the process, and I think you'll pick it up pretty quickly. If we want to smooth the first 3, we're doing a 3 moving median. Here's my first 3, and the moving median of them is the median of 10 and 12 and 6. So we're not adding them up anymore, we're just finding the median, the middle number. Well, the middle number of 10 and 12 and 6 is 6. So, oh sorry, beg your pardon, 10. So put them in order. 6 is the smallest, 10 is the next biggest, and then 12 is the next biggest. So we're just trying to find the middle number, or put them in order and average them out. Right, let's do that for the second one. 12 and 6 and 5. 12 and 6 and 5, the middle number is 6. Let's now do 6 and 5 and 22. And 6 is the median of that. I'll just quickly catch them up here. The median of 12 and 6 and 5, or 6. The median of 6 and 5 and 22. Again is 6. Let's do the median of 5 and 22 and 18. The median, the middle number of 5, 22, 18. You'll be able to see the middle number is 18. That's not the lowest, not the highest, it's the middle number. We can just keep doing that whole process again and again and again. So I might just write etc. here. And we're just going to keep on doing that. The median number of 22, 18 and 13 is 18. The median number of 18, 13, 7 is 13. The median number of 13, 7, 9 is 9. The middle number, or the median of 7, 9, 10 is 9. The middle number of 9 and 10 and 8 is 9. And finally, last but not least, the middle number of 10 and 8 and 15 is 10. So you can see again with the 3 moving median, just as what happened with the 3 moving mean, we've lost our n pieces of data. So still we are shortening our data. Here's a graph of what that looks like here. So you can see we start off with the red, again that's our raw data before we did anything, and we had all the months, 12 months, and we lost 2 of the months, we lost January and December, so our data now only spans from February to November, but we have smoothed it out a bit. You can see probably the effect is a bit less than when we did it with our means, when we averaged them. That would have smoothed this out a lot more, but it does eliminate some peaks. So this peak is gone, it's a bit flatter there. This kind of up down peaks smoothed out a lot. And even just here it's really troughed and gone back up, and we've kind of smoothed it out to be more of a dip shape. So we've got a generally smoother shape rather than this jagged shape that has all that random variation. We've eliminated the random variation a bit more with a 3 moving median. We're going to pretty much do exactly the same thing for the 5 moving median.